Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can create a collage of photos or videos on CapCut Mobile. Select new project and go to either photos or videos and select the photos and videos that you want to make like a collage. Just going to select these photos, and then you are going to simply select the collage button here. Then here you can choose the kind of like templates you want them to be in, maybe like this one, and then you can also adjust the frame ratio of it to so you can see it a little bit better. I don't know like if you can adjust it on later, but we're just going to see if we can. Select continue. Oh yeah, you can, I think, edit the pictures a little bit. I'm not quite sure. Let me see which one I want to edit. Okay, I don't think you can like crop it in place, so make sure they're already in that format. But you can also do this with videos, by the way. But yeah, that's basically how you can do that. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!